Growing up, we always loved to do crafts, but this is even better.
GLOMADO definitely helps my kids feel at home in the world. Workshops are a great opportunity for our family to spend time together, being creative.
The children get to interact with a live person. That makes it so much more fun and very exciting for me and for them.
It is better than playing video games or watching TV. So in this way, they'll get screen time, but it is a good screen time in which they learn something.
GLOMADO instructors are really engaged in what they're doing. They have a passion for it, and they have a different perspective.
GLOMADO workshops are small and interactive and engaging, and they're educational in a fun way.
If you would buy it in a store, you wouldn't really get that interaction with another person, maybe on the other side of the world.
GLOMADO is an amazing platform where you can browse different creative experiences. Once you select the experience, a glow kit is shipped to your house.
When we open up that box, we get excited about what's inside.
They're interacting with people from different cultures, and they are learning how in the world we're really one big family.
GLOMADO is arts and crafts for the whole world.
GLOMADO helps my kids be global citizens. As a father, that makes me so proud.